PRSSA is a professional development club. Our meetings consist of two types of things. Either we have a guest speaker come in from the field. So this semester we've had a woman come in from Paramount Pictures. We've had a man come in who started his own PR agency that cross-promoted a beer and a band. So we really learn a lot of great insights from those people. And the other thing that we do are workshops, and these range from resume building, interviews, to really PR specific things like press releases or media list building. Another branch of PRSSA is Scarlet PR. They are our student-run PR firm who work with local clients doing pro bono work. So examples include Brother Jimmy's, New Brunswick City Market. They do a lot of the PR for them, and our members get a lot of hands-on experience through this branch of our organization.
There's so many opportunities within the school. You can join various clubs, like I'm in PRSSA and I'm a general manager of Scarlet PR, which is a great way to interact with people in the real world, and you can sit in panels, and they're a great community within the building, and everyone here is extremely helpful. All the teachers are incredible, and you really learn a lot from being in this environment.
It's really great. We started with 4 clients and now we've built our way up to 10. It's just a great team building community where everyone works together and we get what is needed done for our clients, and we're just a big family.
We are open to any majors, any years, whether you're an international student, out-of-state student, in-state student. Anyone is welcome. All you have to do to be involved is show up, ask questions, be involved, and if you're interested in Scarlet PR, the more you participate and the more work you do, the better positions you could get in the organization. So there's not much requirement other than just showing up and participating.